Chapter 9 Thermochemistry, Exercise 9.41, Part A. How much heat is required to warm 1.90 liters of water from 41.0 degrees Celsius to 100.0 degrees Celsius? The specific heat capacity of water is 4.18 joule per gram per degree Celsius. Assume a density of 1.00 gram per milliliter for the water. Express the heat in joules to three sig figures. The reason we see this 1.90 with a 0 at the end, 41.0, 100.0 is to ensure that we still understand the rules for keeping the sig figures. But when you do calculations using a calculator, I think it's more convenient to use 1.9 here, 41 here, 100 here, without worrying too much about the trading zeros. And this 1.00, I'm going to just use 1 to obtain the value of the mass of water. Now here's the equation. Q is equal to the mass times delta T, and then times the specific heat capacity. I'm going to use C sub S for the specific heat capacity. So this is the equation I'm going to use. And then I will just replace this math with the actual mass in grams. It's 1.9 liters. I will convert it to milliliters. 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. And we get over here 1,900 milliliters, and then times the density. We'll get the mass in grams. Now delta T in degrees Celsius, it's just 100 minus 41. The final temperature minus the initial temperature. Finally, we need this specific heat capacity of water, which is 1.48. We need to check the unit. The unit here is in grams. This is degrees Celsius. And 4.18 here is joule divided by gram divided by degrees Celsius. So both gram and degrees Celsius are on the bottom. So we have this many joules. And we need to express the heat in joules to three significant figures. We have 6 over here. So how do we get 6? Well, the first 3 numbers, but over here we have a 5, so it's going to be 4, 6, and 9. Alright, so one way to express this is 4.69 times 10 to the power 5. But I think mastering chemistry is so lenient. If you just enter 469,000, I think it would consider this as 3 sig figures. Let's see. Yeah, it's marked correct. But if we do this more rigorously, it should be 4.69 times 10 to the power 5 joule. Alright, so this is 3 sig figures. If you write 469,000, that's a little ambiguous. The number of sig figures can be 3 or 4 or 5 or even 6. And this is more rigorous.